This is our Subaru Outback Wilderness, the newest addition to the fleet, and she's named Dolly. Now you might be wondering a little bit about how this fits in, but we are pretty excited about Dolly as she can be configured to wear many hats and be your perfect adventure vehicle. In the summer, the Wilderness lives up to its name. It comes with rugged tires and a factory lift for almost 10 inches of ground clearance, which is not that much less than our lifted 4Runners. It has the legendary Subaru all-wheel drive system, which means you don't need to be messing with manually shifting between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. It does have the X mode, where at the push of a button, it goes into more of a 4-low type setting. On top are the heavy-duty roof rails, where we can easily mount our iKamper rooftop tent. Tons of space inside for camping gear or fitting 4 adults comfortably. You can also fold the rear seats down and sleep inside. This vehicle is great for getting that 14er or backpacking trailhead down a bumpy dirt road, but at a lower price point than our more built-out 4x4 campers. It is also easier to drive for those who haven't spent time in a large truck. We call it Overland Lite. When the snow flies, the Wilderness becomes the safest way to the slopes. Symmetrical all-wheel drive is standard, of course, along with guaranteed snow tires for maximum grip on icy mountain passes. No chains, no worries. Skiers and boarders, you'll love the ample cargo space and available ski and snowboard racks we offer. Get your gear in, get on the mountain. In either snow or winter, you will enjoy the turbocharged engine for getting up those mountains and great fuel efficiency. We are excited to welcome Dolly to the fleet to offer year-round adventures. Come take her for a spin.